This video will introduce you to the D2L Discussion Board tool. In the next few minutes, you will learn the basics of D2L Discussion Board use, how to access the discussion board, how to create a new discussion board topic or post, how to reply to existing posts already in the discussion board, and how to subscribe to a specific portion of the discussion board. In a D2L course, the discussion board is accessed via the Collaboration menu. The Discussions link will take you to the discussion board list. Once you have reached the discussions list, you will see available forums and topics in your discussion board. You can think of forums like broad categories of discussion. In this sample, there is only one forum, Sample D2L Discussion Board, though in your D2L courses, your instructor may have grouped discussion topics into multiple forums. If you click a forum title, you will see only the topics within that specific forum. Click on the Discussions list heading at the top to return back to the previous screen. Topics within a forum are more assignment specific. In this sample, you can see there is just a single topic within the sample D2L discussion forum. What is your favorite joke? Again, in future courses, you may only see one topic or you may see many. Make sure you read all instructions posted in the forum and topic areas. This is most likely where your instructor will provide instructions for how you should use the discussion board in their specific course. Once you have read all the directions and feel comfortable with the forum and topic organization of the discussion board, you can click on a topic title, such as this one, to begin posting and replying. Now we are looking at a specific topic within the discussion board. In this case, it is the What is your favorite joke topic. Note the breadcrumb list at the top tells us where we are, and we can use this to move backwards at any time. Usually the first thing you will need to do within a discussion topic is to start your own discussion thread, and we'll do that now by clicking the Compose button. Clicking Compose brings up a new message window. Type your message subject, then type your message, add an attachment if you wish, and then click Post. Your message will now appear at the top of the message list. Now that you've created an original post, we're going to learn how to read and reply to posts made by others. Click on a post subject to view that specific message thread. It may be visible below the thread list, or it may open in a new window as it did here. Read the message in the thread and then reply to it by clicking the Reply button. You post reply messages in the same way as you post original messages, though the original message may appear in your reply by default. Again, click the Post button to add your reply to the message thread. You can now see the reply shows up indented following the original post. Now you've learned how to create new threads within a discussion board topic and how to reply to threads started by others in your course. The final thing we're going to cover in this discussion board basics video is subscribing to discussion board threads or topics. When you subscribe to a discussion board thread or topic, D2L will email you every time a post or response is generated within that thread or topic. D2L provides many subscribe links to make it easy for you to take advantage of this tool. You can subscribe to an entire topic by clicking the Subscribe to Topic link on the View Topic page. You can also click on a specific forum to view and subscribe to the topics just within that forum. Note here the subscribe link on the forum page. You can also subscribe to just a specific thread within a topic, perhaps your own thread, so you will be notified if anyone responds to your post by clicking the subscribe link within that specific thread. Here is the subscribe link within a specific thread, or by clicking the star that precedes that thread on the thread list. Notice when I hover my mouse over the star, it says subscribe to updates to joke subject. You can even subscribe to an entire forum by using the drop-down menu on that forum's page. Subscribe to forum. No matter what method you use to describe to a portion of the discussion board, D2L makes it possible to filter out only the threads you have subscribed to from that point on. You can view just your subscription threads from the initial discussion board page by clicking the large Subscriptions link. You can get there from a forum or topic page by selecting subscriptions from the drop-down menu. These links will allow you to see at a glance only the topics or threads you are most interested in. But remember, you have to subscribe to the forum first in order to receive those email notifications.